Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Palvisha Bashir, National Badminton Champion of Pakistan. I have won, alhamdulillah, many laurels for the country. For 7 years, I've been the singles national champion. For 10 years, I've been the national champion of women's doubles. And also I've been the national champion of mixed doubles. That is, I have been the national champion of all the three events, alhamdulillah, that is singles, women's doubles and mixed doubles. My major achievement was the South Asian Games bronze medalist. When I won that, I'm the only female to bag a bronze medal in the South Asian Games that was being played in Dhaka. So, alhamdulillah, that made me the only female in Pakistan history to bag a bronze medal in women's singles individual events. जब हम बात करते हैं और चैम्पियनशिप्स की, so I have also been a triple crown in national events as well. That is winning all the three events of singles, doubles and mixed doubles that I mentioned earlier as well. So I have won that a lot of times as well, and Shukr Alhamdulillah, I'm really happy with my achievements. I've been the Bahrain International Series silver medalist, Pakistan International Series that happened in 2016. I have been the double crown of it. I'm the only Pakistani female badminton player to win both the events. That is a double crown in an international event, that is women's singles and women's doubles both. We won from a pair of Nepali, and also we had other countries participating in those events. And the next following year, I was the women's doubles champion of the international event. That was Pakistan International Series. I'm also, there was a Maldives International League that was being played. I'm the gold medalist in that. And I have participated, I represented Pakistan in Commonwealth Games, in Asian Games, and South Asian Games as well. Recently, that the South Asian Games that was being played in Nepal, I have won a bronze medal in team events as well. I've been playing the sport since many years, obviously perfecting it, trying my best to be one of the best and perfecting it. So it's been many years. It's been more than probably when I was 15 years old, I started participating in domestic tournaments. And when I was a junior, I won my first national tournament. It was a debut for me. I won my mixed doubles in my first ever tournament in a national, which was a national championship. I won a mixed doubles there, and that gave me a boost basically to play more. And it was a sort of an encouragement for me and my family that I had that thing in me to go further. So winning the national championship of mixed doubles, and then after that in my junior years I won my first women's singles national championship as well. Bachpan se I was very sporty because I have two elder brothers, so I have been a tomboy all my life. Like when I was a kid, I was a complete tomboy, so I used to follow them wherever they used to go. I've played a lot of street cricket. Gali mein maine bahut, and you know what, my cricket is really, really good. No one believes that, but yeah, I'm a medium fast bowler. Wow. And it's really good. But yeah, so there came a time I used to play street badminton as well. So there came a time when my mother was like, my parents really wanted me to take up an indoor sport. So we took a membership of a club, and I started going there, and I started playing there, and my parents also started encouraging me since it was an indoor sport. So and they did not have any fear. I was secure in a club. I was playing there. So yeah, that's how they started encouraging me. And then when I used to look at my seniors, I used to look at the coaches, how they used to play, and play the favorite shot, that the smash shots. So I used to be really influenced, and काफी अच्छा लगता था उनको देखकर. So that's what motivated me and encouraged me to take this game further. And plus, when I won the mixed doubles championship, which I just played for fun at that time, so that gave me a big boost to take it up further. I play 6 days a week. Sundays are the only days I taken off. I have 3 hours training in the morning and 3 hours in the evening, so it's basically 6 hours a day. And beach, of course, I take out time for rest, and then so that I can gear up for my second session. My best sporting memory is when I won the South Asian Games bronze medal, and apart from that, I did not mention my recent, before the pandemic basically, my recent achievement was that in Africa I won a silver medal in Kenya and a bronze medal in Uganda. So yeah, I forgot to mention that. So these three are my best memories that I will always cherish, and I always want to achieve more. And inshallah, आप सबकी दुआओं के साथ I hope that I can win more laurels for Pakistan. Yeah, definitely there were a lot of hurdles that a female has to go through. बाहर जा रही है, अकेली है, किस टाइम पे जाएगी, किस टाइम पे आ रही है, बिकॉज एट टाइम्स ट्रेनिंग डज टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम एंड एनर्जी एंड यू नीड टू रेस्ट एज वेल, तो कभी कभार लेट हो जाता है. सो डेफिनेटली सोशल बैरियर्स भी आते हैं दैट व्हाट टाइम आई विल बी कमिंग होम एंड if it's past 9, and then obviously if I have to go for training abroad, or probably to play tournaments also, so problems aati hain. And then if I'm lifting heavy weights, so log kehte hain, oh, she is lifting more than 80 kgs, how can she do a squat with 80 kgs, so that acceptance is still not there at times, that I feel that they question my ability to lift as much as guys can do. So that kind of ticks me off as well. But that's an encouragement for me that खुद नहीं कर सकते होंगे तो शायद पूछ रहे हैं मुझसे. So definitely that ये barriers ज़रूर आते हैं, but nonetheless I'm pretty strong enough, alhamdulillah, to face all of them with a smile. मैं ये समझती हूँ एक कान से जब डलता है तो दूसरे कान से निकल भी जाता है. सो वन हैज़ टू स्टे स्ट्रॉन्ग, बिकॉज जब आपका गोल आपके सामने होता है, यू नो व्हाट यू आर सपोज टू डू, यू नो व्हाट यू आर एक्सपेक्टेड टू डू, एंड योर पेरेंट्स आर देयर बाय योर साइड, सो एंड अल्लाह ताला इज़ देयर ऑब्वियसली. सो आई थिंक आपको कोई चीज़ रोक नहीं सकती आगे बढ़ने से. 3 top qualities that an women athlete should have is self-confidence. Reason being, this is one of the main things a woman athlete should have, because आप अपने अंदर जब बिलीफ रखते हो ना, तो जब दूसरे लोग आपके बारे में बात करते हैं ना, तो you can hush them up with your self confidence. If you believe in yourself, आपको किसी की ज़रूरत नहीं होती कि आपके ऊपर कोई उंगली उठा रहा है तो आप बोलो ठीक है, I know what I'm supposed to do. क्योंकि जब इंसान जीतता है ना, जब वो इंसान वो मकाम हासिल कर लेता है, तो फिर सबके मुँह बंद हो जाते हैं. Second quality apart from self-confidence is that drive, that spirit, that determination जो कि आपके अंदर होनी चाहिए to achieve something. मैं समझती हूँ हर प्लेयर जो कि पाकिस्तान का नाम या अपने मुल्क का नाम रोशन करना चाहता है, तो उसके अंदर एक पागलपन होना चाहिए, एक जुनून होना चाहिए कि मैंने ये अचीव करना है. सो आई फील दैट अ वुमन एथलीट शुड हैव दिस क्वालिटी ऑफ डिटर्मिनेशन टू अचीव द गोल. अपार्ट फ्रॉम सेल्फ बिलीफ एंड कॉन्फिडेंस, एक जुनून होना चाहिए उसके अंदर. एंड थर्ड क्वालिटी आई थिंक is the willpower to stand against all odds, to जैसे कि हम बैरियर्स की बात कर रहे थे. सो मैं ये समझती हूँ कि उसके अंदर एक ऐसी क्वालिटी होनी चाहिए, एक विल पावर होनी चाहिए दैट यू शुड आप गिव अप कभी ना करो, किसी मौके पर भी ना करो. Of course it was all worth it. Alhamdulillah, I'm happy with where I am. अल्लाह का बहुत शुक्र है, मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ अल्लाह ताला की. And of course my followers, my fans, my friends, my family, they've always stood by my side, they're always standing by my side, and I'm really happy. And I wish and मैं दुआ करती हूँ कि मैं और ज़्यादा अचीव करूँ अपने मुल्क के लिए और अपना मुल्क का नाम रोशन कर सकूँ. My favorite woman athlete, there are 2 actually. One is Serena Williams, of course, because I like the way she's handling her life. She's at the top. She's still at the top. She's standing against all odds even after being a mother. She's one of the strongest women. Also, Sania Mirza. I really admire her, the way she's playing even after becoming a mother. Hats off to such women. मैं ये समझती हूँ कि they have all these qualities that I mentioned earlier as well. And of course the third one I would like also to mention that it's Carolina Marin, that I really admire her game style. She's a badminton player from Spain. The first 2 that I mentioned, of course, we all know they're from tennis. But Karina Marin, she's from Spain. She's a badminton player, and I really admire her game style and the way her aggression is there in the courts, because that's somewhere close to my game as well, like the aggression and everything. So that's what I admire.
Wow. Thank you so much for taking out the time. Best of luck for your future endeavors, and you're an inspiration, mashallah.
Thank you.
Thank you.